Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and this is the third part of your stretches with the Fuzzies, or also known as the ballet stretches. So make sure you watch part 1 and 2 of our ballet stretches. So part 1 is facing forward, part 2 is facing to the side, and we have the transition. This is part 3, so I'm going to show you from part 1 to part 2 to part 3 so you can see the whole thing. If you have any questions on it, put it in the comments below. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. It's how we continue to make videos for you, so subscribing really helps, so please do that. And know that if you have any questions about any exercise, you can put it in comments on any video. I will see them and they will help make the next video, so be sure to do that. And let's get to part 3, right? So part 1, your right leg was in your left strap, you were facing forward. After your fun traction, you turned to the side, and then you did your side bend, and then you did your traction off of the front. And then for part 3, you actually have to turn around. But here's the deal. This is the wrong strap. I need the strap that's over here, and then you plant your foot on the bar, okay? Then your hands go to our trapeze. You lift both hands at the same time and place them on the trapeze part here. Then both hands same time to the strap and then to the mat. And then you bend your standing leg and lift and bend and lift and bend and lift. Plant the foot, both hands to the strap, both hands to the trapeze, both hands to your slider bar. Right? Lift your chest, and as you take your foot out, you're welcome to try to touch your toes to your head. Yeah, it's pretty fun, right? So you're trying not to do that from your lower back or from your neck, which is really tricky to do. So again, we go from our front version, end of that, into your side version. You do your side bends, and then you do the traction stretch here. Then you turn, you move the foot into the other fuzzy. Little harder to do when you are by yourself. Both hands reach up, lift up through your center. Both hands come down. Both hands come to the strap. Both hands come to the mat. Take the foot off, and then you can bend and straighten this leg. And I'm really reaching my leg into that strap. It's kind of like doing single leg stretch upside down. Then stand on both feet, lift both hands at the same time, lift both hands at the same time, lift both hands, hold, stand in your legs, take your foot out, swan your chest, make sure your back is what's bending the longest extension, and try to touch your foot towards your head if you can. And that is your whole stretch series. So let me know which one's your favorite and which one you struggle with the most in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you again for subscribing to this channel and for sharing these videos with your friends. That's how we get seen and heard and how we can continue to grow. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.